If you're experiencing issues with the Spectrum TV app not loading, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Restart your device. Turn off your device completely and unplug it from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This can help clear temporary glitches. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing other apps or devices. If your internet is slow or not working, try resetting your router. Step 3. Update the Spectrum TV app. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. Navigate to your device's settings, find the Spectrum TV app, and select the option to clear cache and data. This can help resolve issues caused by corrupted files. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If the app still isn't loading, uninstall it from your device and then reinstall it from the App Store. This fresh installation can often resolve persistent issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the app not loading issue on the Spectrum TV app. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Spectrum customer support for further assistance.